Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we'll discuss the short question answers and long question answers from chapter 5, that is food and digestion. So, let's begin the question answers, that is short question answer. The first question from this is V1. Name the nutrients of a balanced diet. So we know, class, that a balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients of a food, and in food there are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, roughage and water. So these are the 7 things which a food or a balanced diet must contain. These nutrients should be present in the balanced diet. Then comes the next question, that is how can you preserve food? So we already learned that we can preserve food by freezing it, by mixing with salt or sugar or in oil. Then we can dehydrate it also. By this we can preserve food. Next question, why is water important for our body? The question number 3, why is water important for our body? So we all know that water maintain our body temperature, helps in the digestion of food, and also there are various types of functions which is going on in our body, and water is needed for them. Then water help us to remove the harmful products or undigested products from food from our body in the form of urine, sweat and stool. So this is why we need water. Water is important for us. The next question is, why should we not throw the water in which pulses are soaked? Why we cannot throw this water? Because the water in which pulses are soaked, it contains various types of minerals and vitamins, and which is beneficial for us. So we cannot throw it. We will use it to cook. In the process of cooking, we will use it. The next question is, what is the advantage of cooking the food? So cooking makes the food more tasty, more soft and easy to digest. That is why we need to cook food. The next question, that is question number C1. Now question number B finished. We are now going to discuss about question number C, and the C1 is, how are proteins and carbohydrates useful? So we all know that proteins are needed for the generation of new cells and tissues, and also it helps in the repair of damaged cells and tissues. And protein is what? Body building food. Next comes carbohydrate. So carbohydrate gives us energy for performing our daily activities. So now we can move to the next question, that is question number 2, and the question is, explain the process of digestion. So we all know that digestion is the process in which complex foods are broken down into simple foods and then absorbed by our body. And this process starts from our mouth. That is, we take the food inside the mouth and our teeth start chewing the food and makes it into simple small pieces. The tongue helps the saliva to mix with this food and makes it sticky, which is easy to swallow, and then by the help of food pipe it will reach into the stomach. Here in the stomach, this food is crushed by the stomach, various types of juices and enzymes mix with it, and it is converted into a milk or juice type. Then this food is passed into the small intestine. In the small intestine, again various type of juices comes and mix with it, like bile from the liver, from the pancreas, several type of juices and enzymes will come and mix with it and digest it properly. And here the food is digested by the intestine, and it is reached into the blood, and it is reached into the blood. Then the undigested food passed into the large intestine. Here whatever food may be absorbed, it will be absorbed here in the large intestine, like water is removed from the food, and undigested food is transferred into rectum, a place where this food is undigested food is stored, and when time to time it will be removed from our body by the anus. That is the last portion of our digestive canal or alimentary canal. From the anus this undigested food is removed. So this is the whole process of digestion in our body. Now we move to the next question, that is question number 3. Define roughage. Why should it be included in the diet? So roughage, the fiber which is present in the food is called the roughage. The fiber which is present in our food, the fiber present in our food is called the roughage. And why do we need this roughage? This roughage helps in the digestion of food and also help in the removal of undigested food from the body. That is why we need roughage. Like examples, whole grains, then fruits and vegetables. They contain a whole good amount of roughage and helps in the removal of undigested food from the body, and that is why doctors and our elders suggest us to eat more and more fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. Now next question, write 4 best ways for easy digestion. There are several ways if you follow it will help in digestion, but the important 4 ones are: whenever you are eating food, chew it properly. Don't swallow it like a snake. Chew it again and again. Chew it properly. Make it in very small pieces. And if you do this, your stomach will work very less and food is easy to digest. The second thing is drink plenty of water and good amount of water, as much as possible for you, because this will maintain our body temperature and also help in the process of digestion. So after doing these 2 things, there are 2 more things. Never or do not overeat. Means if you are hungry for 3 breads, eat 2, leave 1. Don't overeat, because overeating again create problem for digestion. Do not overeat. The next thing is include roughage and fruits in your diet on a daily basis, because as I told you just now that roughage help us to remove the undigested food from our body. So class, I hope you are able to understand all these question answers well. If any problem, ask me class. I am here to help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.